Alden, please describe Maine as, let's say, the Platinum Alpha. Yung characteristics niya. And also, Maine, how could you describe Alden as an Alpha, Platinum Alpha?
Kasi si Maine, like the Platinum Karaoke Alpha, napapanahon. So lahat ng nakaka-experience, makipakita yung talent ng microphone is nag-enjoy. So that's how we see the mic in relevance to this lady over here.
Ako ba? Kasi kung next level na po yung Platinum Karaoke, so like Alden, next level na yun. Oh, bakit? You should be proud, Alden.
Next question!
Ayun na nga. Sinabi ka lang yung tanong.
Sige na! Yun po, madam. Thank you.
Alright, we have one more question now. Yes?
Then,